It's time to upgrade your English. Resilient, resilient, resilient. Meaning, able to recover quickly from difficulties, strong and adaptable.
Example. After facing many challenges, Aisha remained resilient and kept working toward her goals. Question: who can be called resilient? Someone who gives up easily, someone who quickly recovers from problems, someone who avoids challenges.
Share your answer in the comments. Idiom blast. Break the ice. Meaning to do or say something to make people feel more comfortable in a social situation. Example: the teacher told a funny story to break the ice on the first day of class.
Question: if someone breaks the ice at a meeting, what are they doing? Making people feel at ease, ending the meeting early, avoiding conversation. Share your answer in the comments. Hope this helped you learn a little more. Like, share, subscribe.